All right, welcome to QA Analyst Training, Part 2, hands-on. This is my introduction. My name is George Bryan. I'll be the instructor, also the founder of QA Training Experts. Let's get started. You should recognize these phases, right? These are the phases of what? Of the STLC, right? STLC is the process that software goes through to be tested. We learned about the software development lifecycle, which is the process that software goes through to be developed. Now we're going to be learning about this process. So this is a process, right? And what is a process? We haven't really talked about what a process really is, but yet, we have so many processes that we have to learn to get in the door and become a tester. You have the defect life cycle, the defect resolution process. You have the software development life cycle, right? Software testing life cycle. And within the life cycle, which I'll be teaching you, there are lots of other processes. The process for creating test cases, for reviewing requirements. So it's all about processes. And so let's just take a second. Let's learn about what a process is. A process is a series of actions taken in order to achieve a particular end. It's a series, it's taking steps to achieve a goal. All right, process also has different elements. So we will be learning about the different activities of each phase of the software development lifecycle. We'll be learning about the different tasks that have to be done to complete an activity. Right? Objectives of each phase. What's the purpose of the phase? The entrance criteria, inputs, artifacts. Artifacts are documents, things we need to use to complete an activity. The query log, for example, or a test case template, defect template. Then we have steps that we'll be learning. In each phase of the software development lifecycle, there's steps. We have steps to report a defect, steps to create a test case. We've got steps, lots of steps. So, and then we have outputs. Every phase has an output. So, lots to go over and learn. So again, I'll be teaching you the different activities and tasks that are part of each phase of the software testing lifecycle. I'll be showing you exactly what you need to take away and study, which is the knowledge that you need to learn. And I'll be showing you exactly what you need to take away and practice. So we have knowledge to learn, skill to practice. Knowledge is the talk to talk, skill is the walk to walk, right? So knowledge is what we need to get in the door to help us answer questions on interviews. And then skill is something that we have to practice to get good at. Skill is something that we're not just born with it. We have to practice to gain a skill. Skill is gained, knowledge is learned. Learned and gained. Should have put that on here too. Okay. So talk the talk, walk the walk. So that's every phase. You have to learn the phase, and then you have to practice the activities that a tester performs that you're going to be responsible for. All right, knowledge, getting in the door. I mean, that's our main goal in this whole thing, right? So getting in the door takes knowledge and it takes skill. So knowledge plus skill equals what? Confidence. Confidence is huge. You can go very far in life with confidence. And confidence in your knowledge and in your skill. And when you have knowledge and skill, it makes you very confident, right? And confidence, when you have knowledge and you have skill and you have confidence, what do you think you have? What does that equal? Knowledge, skill, confidence. What does that give us? Actually gives us a lot. Gives us The ability to get in the door gives us the ability to get a job, to move up in our career, earn a good paycheck, earn a good living, enjoy life. You got to have knowledge, you have to have a skill, and you have to have confidence. I mean, you can have knowledge plus confidence and get in the door, but then you have to have skill to do the job. So eventually you got to get that skill before you walk in the door. But you can't have just knowledge because that's not going to get you in the door. You got to have knowledge plus confidence. Skill plus confidence could get you in the door too, but you have to prove a skill, right? Proving a skill, how do you prove a skill? You prove a skill by demonstrating it. How do you prove your knowledge? Well, you could do it on an interview by convincing me that you have it. That's basically what an interview is, right? So you're convincing the other person that you're the right person for the job. All right, in the next video, I will finish up this intro so we can jump in and actually start. But yeah, thank you.